Hey guys, I'm just creating this video to show you this new program that I've just found called Mezzmo. I used to have a Samsung TV and I used to stream using Servio, but I've just bought a Panasonic TV and I found that its Servio is not as good with this Panasonic TV, and I've been reading around on the internet and apparently Mezzmo is one of the best to use for Panasonic TVs. So I've just downloaded the trial and I'm going to see how it goes. So when you open it, you get prompted with this screen. It starts the media server. You can have playlists and everything in your library. That's only just come to Servio now as well. But with Mezzmo, it's already here. So I've added a video folder. I've just installed this on my PC for now. I've got a few videos in there. I've got Servio running on my home server. Hopefully I'll switch over to Mezzmo if it works out perfect. As you can see, it downloads the artworks and stuff, so you can download it for each file. You've got your media server settings where you can run it. You've got your media devices, so it'll pick up all your media devices and it'll pick a profile to work best for that device. You've got your status windows at the bottom here, and as you can see, I've already got something in my library, so I think I'm going to head over to my TV and show you guys how it works. Okay, so I'm here at my TV. Right, Panasonic TV. It's the new 65VT50 model. So on the remote, if I press the Viera Tools button, it'll come up with photos, videos, and I'm going to choose media server there at the end. And as you see, I've got the HP Media Smart Server I'm running. I've got the actual software it comes with, which I believe is Twonky Media, which I never use because it's just awful. I've got Serviio installed on it, but then here's the Mezzmo that I've just installed. So if I click on Mezzmo, it'll bring up the library which I saved, which is the video file, and brings up the videos. And to be honest, it just plays them. It is hassle free, it just plays. You set it up, you press play, and it plays. It outputs the audio in Dolby Digital as it should, and it's brilliant. One of my favourite features, well, to be honest, two of my favourite features are, first of all, subtitles. If your MKV file has a built-in subtitle, Mezzmo actually sends it to the TV. So if I press the options button on the remote, I can go down to subtitles and I can select between the two subtitles that it has. And that's brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I've never ever seen a media server that just plays it from a file. I've always had to extract the subtitle file out of the MKV and put it separately. This just keeps it inside and it plays it brilliantly. And another one of my favourite features is selecting audio. So for example, I've got this movie here. Now it's also, yes, a 3D file, and Mezzmo does send 3D video to your TV, and so if I wanted to, I can just convert it to 3D just like that. Obviously you won't see it in 3D, you need the glasses to see it in 3D. Now yeah, so if I go to options, I can select also multi-audio. So if the file has different audio tracks in it, I can also select different audio tracks. So that's playing in German at the moment. I can select it to English, it pauses for a moment, and there you go, it converted so fast, it's so smooth, you don't even notice that it paused, and you can convert the language. Absolutely fantastic. Whereas if I go now back to my Serviio server, now certain video files, sometimes they play, sometimes they don't. I don't know what this is, I don't know if it's a bug or something, but it will not, sometimes it'll say video format not supported. It's almost like it's trying to transcode something, but I don't know why, because the TV supports the files natively, so I don't know why it would want to transcode. Film, here we go, this one's got subtitles. So you see, if I play this file here, it plays the file, but if I try go to subtitles, it just says no subtitles. So that's a bit of a downer. I know the subtitles are there, but it doesn't let me. Also, if I again go back to my 3D movies, I go to the Lorax. Yes, it also sends it in 3D. Okay, so that's my rundown of Mezzmo. I'm still twinkling and playing with it. I think it's probably by far the best media server I've used to date. Thank you for watching.